difficult as BI projects can be, and as difficult as NetSuite can be, this is the best solution for actually converting that data and that information into real decision-making tools. My name is Michael Sunin. I'm the CEO at Manduka, and I'm a partner in Valor Equity Partners. Generally, I'm in charge of all the strategic decision-making and implementation here at the company. The problems at Manduka were clear at the time when we made the investment, and they were the kind of problems we were highly confident could be fixed. Number one problem, though, was not understanding their data. There was a lot of decision-making made from gut instinct, but very little of it was based in actual factual data. The BI project had failed on two previous occasions. People feared BI, people didn't want to necessarily have to do the work. One of the things we do at Valor is we have our own operations teams, and we identified early that even we were going to need help. We needed people that were going to come in, sit side by side, do the heavy lifting with us, because just teaching the inside team how to do it wasn't going to stick. One of the major challenges we had with NetSuite was it hadn't been set up for the way the company was evolving. It was in a variety of places, it wasn't in the right formats, it was very disorganized, and it wasn't particularly comparable for period over period. So it became very problematic when the company tried to make decisions. It was just too complex, too messy, and as a result, they quit using it. It is rare that you find a partner that will step in, will actually do the work, put it on their backs, and will get it over the goal line. The short term has been amazing because it's been like an awakening. People can come in, log in, and actually understand what's going on with the business. In the past, all customers were treated the same because getting the analysis, getting the data to understand that they weren't the same was too painful or not reliable. So now, as you start to think through customer segments, we actually are able to sit down and actually come up with thoughtful customer segments. And rather than make judgments based on kind of tribal knowledge, an average customer buys 4 times a year. We actually know which customers buy 12 times a year, which buy 8, which buy 4, and which buy 2. And all of those segments get treated differently. So that's information we didn't have before, we now have, and it's actually affecting how we go marketing. It affects how we communicate to who and when. It affects how we think about sales segmentation. It affects really every part of the business. I'd say that the longer term thing that is starting to happen quicker than we thought is we no longer have a fear of using data in decision making. Before it was, we don't have time to get the data, so we have to decide today. And that's actually no longer true, right? People actually can pull up the data in real time and we can use it to inform our judgments. By far, this was the best place for us, the best place for a company like Manduka, a smallish, medium-sized business that doesn't have the resources to do it on its own, but actually needs the data to make great decisions. It's absolutely one of the best decisions Manduka's ever made. And it's absolutely a scalable solution that we will be implementing in other companies as well.